Hello and good afternoon and welcome to Your Next Car UK's official YouTube channel. I'm bringing to you today a video on a 335. It's brand new in stock to us today. It has just been completed. Now then, as you can see, it does feature our Your Next Car performance pack fitted to it, which we of course fit in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. It has of course been colour coded. It is all gloss black on the front to match in with the all black kidney grills. This model does have quite a few optional extras and tech specs, and I will talk you through all of them within this video. Okay, then starting with the front, we of course have that performance splitter which I've just spoke about. We do also have the LED headlamps which you can see in operation there. Really give a nice look to the front end of these 3 Series, as well as giving you a bit more vision in the darker evenings. Now then, onto the wheels, we have the 19-inch MSPORT alloys. Behind them, stunning 19-inch wheels, we have the MSPORT+PACK brakes, being that this vehicle has the MSPORT+PACK fitted to it. It is of course finished in the stunning silver, which if you ask me is one of my favourite colour combinations on the 3 Series, the silver with the gloss black pack. We of course have the gloss black mirrors. Down the side we have the sidebars, side performance decals and vinyls. Once again showing you off them stunning 19-inch MSPORT alloys. Around the back of the vehicle, we of course have the rear diffuser as part of the performance package, and the newer style rear boot spoiler, which is of course finished in gloss black. You'll note that it is badged up on the X-Drive. This is an X-Drive model, which is BMW's superb 4-wheel drive system. As I say, this vehicle has just gone live onto our website, and it is priced at just under £23,000. This vehicle has only covered 33,000 miles, so very low mileage. And as you can see in the video, the bodywork is in really great condition. It's just a sign of how little mileage this vehicle has actually covered. Inside the car, we have a beautiful black leather with the individual piping, which you can see here, and the individual stitching as well. We also have options such as Harman Kardon surround sound, the professional media and professional nav pack, heated leather seats, privacy glass, all the door cards, seats, and in general interior condition as well as the exterior are all in really good condition. This particular 3 Series does feature quite a rare optional extra. It does have split rear folding seats. As I'll now show you. There we have it. Not many 3 Series do come equipped with the split rear folding seats. As I say, it is an optional extra, which not many people do tend to tick. We do have a wide range of PCP, HP packages to suit everyone's needs if they are required. Okay, now I'll jump on inside and show you some of the options that are inside the vehicle. As I mentioned earlier, we do have that beautiful professional media and professional nav pack. We of course have heated leather seats. We have the 8-speed sports gearbox with flappy pedals, cruise control, voice recognition, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Bluetooth, DAB radio.
In memories back to that time, there isn't much there because it was so small.
It does also have full BMW service history,
Your heart being so packed with having loved so many people.
which of course is all stored on the iDrive system.
Really super content.
There we have its service stamp,
Spent a lot of time with the Zafra.
and it's not due a service for 2,600 miles.
Is glad of the special bond, which has lasted through the years.
As I mentioned earlier, this vehicle is available to take away today. If you are requiring any further information, or you would like to put down a £250 fully refundable deposit that will secure the car for up to 5 days, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Okay guys, that's it from me. Thank you. Goodbye.